teman-teman, like channel King Ayah. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Lonceng. Terima kasih.
I put that record on and suddenly I'm on the stage. I wear my t-shirt like I'm Bella Grace, a glamour page. Don't take a lot to get me out my head when I feel great, when I've been feeling great, yeah. I don't care what they say, I'm gonna shine. What's keeping up, it's fine, I'm gonna slow down, slow down. I'm coming up, that's right, I'm gonna show out, show out. And even if I have to fake it, I know tonight I'm feeling famous, I'm feeling famous.
Guys, kita di Dubai Safari. Foto dulu guys. Lagi ada di Dubai Safari guys. Masuk deh guys. Hah? Ada penuh air.
let him sit. So my name is Posta and our driver's name is Mansoor. So we have a few safety precautions. Please try to not walk or stand while the bus is moving. You can take your pictures. Please turn off the flashlights of your phones. The tour will be about 45 minutes and then you can go about the rest of the villages. Food is not allowed in the bus, but you can take your water, okay? But if you don't feel well, please do let us know as soon as possible and you can adjust your AC place as you please. Okay, so we're having the first habitat. Over here, the animal is the third largest land mammal. Stays in water for up to more than 16 hours. Can stay submerged for up to 6 minutes and then comes on top, breathe and go back down. So keep your eyes out. You might catch a glimpse of the third largest land mammal, which is the hippopotamus. So when we say third largest, this animal can weigh more than a ton with a bite force of up to 2,000 psi.
Salam. Tuh, ih besar. Besar tuh. Tuh, foto Pak, sini Pak. Sini Pak. Foto. Kiranya. Kirana. Ih, Kirana. Wah, apa itu? Apa itu? Apa itu deh? Ih, berenang dia. Wah, 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 wah.
Dia jatuh.
Hilang dia, wah.
And when you alligator garfish. It's the largest in the gar family.
Inaya yang benar, aduh.
Taking us into the Nile crocodile's habitat. Found along banks of river now.
Itu dia renang.
So you can see most of them under the trees. These are cold-blooded reptiles. They are also semi-aquatic, but crocodiles are much more stronger in their habitat, which is water.
Tuh di sana. Mana, Dek? Tuh di bawah pohon. Dek, kamu rekam apa itu? Kamu rekam apa ya?
So talking about a dangerous animal, these are one of the most dangerous. They were declared extinct in the world due to over hunting. And on the right, the two with the spiraled horns, those are called addax. Addax are desert animals. So over the next wooden tree, we have the grey animal. That is the nilgai, male. So males will change their color into grey or bluish like that over time. And the ones with antlers, those are the male deers.
Wow.
Those antlers
Wah,
shade
lihat
off over
tanduknya.
time due
Tanduknya
to
dia
low
renang.
blood
Wah.
circulation. And the single black animal under the shade with the big horns to its back, that is called the sable antelope. That's the national animal of Zimbabwe. The rest, the white ones with the spiral horns,
Zimbabwe.
those are all addax breeds.
Ini loh dia, ya Allah, gimana sih? Dibilangin diliatin hewannya. Diliatin hewannya di mana? Baru direkam. Apa hewan apa ini?
And the habitat is intentionally left this way because tigers prefer dense vegetation. They are elusive animals, they are ambush attackers, very good climbers, very good swimmers as well. Tigers swim most times to regulate their body temperatures. Most of these animals do not sweat, especially the big cats. Okay. So we missed out on the tigers. Yes. As earlier mentioned, because of the heat, animals at Dubai Safari are given a freedom of choice to stay in or out of their holding areas. We have the peafowl right under the tree. Anyone seen the peafowl? There's a peacock there and a peahen. So on the right, under the red tree, those are more of the spotted deer's females without antlers. And these here are samba deers. We have some camels as well. These are Brondari camels found in Asia and the Middle East. They have closable nostrils. They can take 100 liters of water within 10 to 15 minutes and survive more than 2 weeks with it. They have a strong mouth, able to separate thorns and leaves. And on the right, we have the big bull under the tree. That is called the Asian water buffalo, domesticated in the rural parts of Asia. All these different animals, those are a bigger breed or a bigger species of samba deers. On the right, the much smaller antelopes, that is called the blackback, females of the blackback. The next animal, which also chances of seeing it are 50-50. Here we also have the cheetah, which is the fastest. So I can name the number of animals that would barely survive under heat. One of them is the giraffe, the tiger, the cheetah. Those three animals will barely survive under heat. So just like humans, these animals get heat strokes as well. However, if you are still within Dubai Safari by around 5 to 6, we have the glass boundary on the other end. You can always come back. The animals could be out when the weather is fairer. And that brings us to the last part of the tour. So that marks the end of the safari tour. Please be informed that with your tickets you can visit the rest of the villages, inclusive of which is the African village, the Arabian Desert Safari, which closes by 5:30. We have the Asian village, the kids farm, and the aviary. If you love birds, you can go to the aviary. You see different kinds of birds. The elephants, the chimpanzee, that is at the African village, reptiles, African village. If you want to see the Komodo dragon, hopeful if the animals are out. So as you visit, please put it in your mind that with the heat, it is unlikely if you won't find some animals out. Yeah, it's a normal behavior for animals. So thank you everyone for visiting Dubai Safari. Have yourselves a lovely stay here.
Ambil dulu kan? Kamu di sini dulu ya. Aku ambil.
Ada AC-nya nggak ya? Harusnya sih ada kalau ruangan gitu kan. Gila panas banget.
Panas banget. Kita mau sini deh. Tuh dek. Hop. Gimana? Apa sih? Wah, alhamdulillah dinginnya. Ya Allah, besarnya Kirana besar banget. Besar banget itu. Wah, besarnya ya Allah, besar banget tuh. Tuh besar banget. Ngapain sih gemuk? Wah, besar banget, Masya Allah. Ya Allah, besar banget sih gemuk. Hah? Diketok-ketok. Tuh nak Kirana. Itu, wah, ada apa itu? Gak boleh, dibilangin dilarang ketok-ketok. Dibilangin lagi tidur dia.
Aku tepuk tangan aja.
Tuh, kulitnya sampai kayak ayah, boleh pukul. Ya deh. Ya kan. Tuh, dia bergerak. Tuh. Gila. Awas jangan deket-deket nanti kamu dimau.
Kamu dicium nanti.
Di kok. Beratnya berapa ton ini tadi?
Apa sih? Lebih malas tuh.
Bye bye.
Bahaya.
Berenang dia. Itu nah. Ih, Kirana.
Itu ternyata
Papa coba rekam di HP ku, Pak. Wah. Sini aku aja. Wah, ya. Kira.
Melayangnya bisa seberat itu melayang.
Tuh Kirana. Tapi bisa lah ya dia di dalam air kayak gini. Tuh. Berat nggak sih badannya, kayak berat kan? Ayo Kirana. Ayo, lihat ngerinya dek, mukanya sampai tuh kupas-kupas. Ayo.
Giginya kena ya.
Iya.
Kayak nggak pernah gosok gigi.
Oh, tertutup yang hidungnya kalau anu.
Iya.
Nanti terbuka. Oh, ngeliatin mulutnya. Wow. Lah tidur. Bobo dia. Hah? Bobo dia.
Ini ketok ya.
Ih, kamu cium, dimakan kamu. Nggak gosok gigi.
Panas. Nggak boleh gitu.
Nggak boleh, Ge. Kenapa sih kalau dikasih tahu nggak didengar tuh? Hah? Ayo. Tuh. Tuh, gini ya, sini 1, 2, adek duduk, adek duduk sama kakak, Adek. Gini.
Yang belakang nggak sih?
Gimana? Sini. Tuh. Tuh. Nih, Kirana. Tuh. Kira. Ih, pipis dia. Tuh. Hello.
Wah, flamingo.
Oh, apa ini? Tuh, burung unta.
Iya, itu asli. Asli. Tuh, katanya. Panas banget.
Black and white label.
Mana gedung? Kemana, Pak? Mana sih? Nih. Buka, Dek. Buka, Dek. Open. Emang ada ularnya nih?
Enggak ada. Iya ini.
Mau kita.
Nih. Ini ular.
Nih. Wow.
Ini kan sapu-sapu nih, Pak. Tuh. Kan sapu-sapu, Pak.
Bukan sapu-sapu.
Oh. Ini bukan nih.
Tarik kita ini.
Ada ular.
Tuh, ular. Tuh.
Banyak berenang.
Tuh.
Ini gedenya. Ipang ini.
Ah.
Nggak ada vipernya.
Mana ikan? Ikan.
Ini biar lihat.
Tuh, ada krokodil, guys.
Di mana nih? Nih. Nih ular. Nah. Itu apa? Apa ini, Pak? Ular berderik. Ular derik.
Mana?
Ini. Awas, Dek. Ayo.
Ayo. Ayo. Tuh ada krokodil. Tuh krokodil.
Ya kecil, guys. Krokodilnya kecil.
Iya, itu masih kecil, dia anak kecil. Itu anak kecil banget. Di mana? Itu iguana.
Ini iguana. Ih, frog.
Nyati.
Nih, ya Allah, frog gendut.
Frog gendut.
Besar banget.
Itu loh. Hijau. Hijau tinggal. Hijau bisa. Main ini ya.
Ayo.
Ayo, enggak bosan dia. Tuh ular apa ini? Corn snake. Tuh bergerak dek. Tuh. Tuh bergerak nih. Tuh. Ih, ayo stroller panasan. Kita ke Afrika Village. Sini ada apa ini? Berarti tadi kita kelilingin di sini dong, Pak? Bukan? Panasan nih, jangan. Tuh nah, gajahnya ke sini, Kirana. Gajah. Ini mama gendong ah. Tuh. Ini besar apa namanya? Tuh gajah tuh beneran.
Gajah beneran mah.
Gajah bohong. Gajah. Gajah.
Kemarin aku.
Itu sudah suaranya tuh.
Itu bukan elephant nih gini. Afrika elephant. Itu bukan real elephant. Itu Afrika elephant. Yang suka banyak wadah.
Tuh. Wah, dia mau lihat apa? Mau lihat.
Ya, jatuh lagi makanya.
Ini dia main di berenang-berenangan tuh, berenang-berenangan dia. Tuh,
Keduanya gak mau ya, cuma dia.
dia berenang-berenangan.
Takut dia. Dong sama mamanya.
Tuh. Dia mandi lagi. Kan ini untuk melindungi diri dari sinar matahari.
Kenapa?
Garukin lah.
Kenapa dia senang? Dia senang. Dia senang mandi.
Ada aja ini berdua ini nih yang dua ini nih. Mau jebur juga cuma lihat yang satunya, lihat garuk-garuk. Ya Allah, ini bukannya lihat gajah. Itulah gajah ya, tinggi besar apa namanya?
Ini satu laginya.
Wow. Ah, tutup itu anak mau kemana sana? Hey guys, dari mana guys? Dari mana kamu? Wah. Mana? Dragon. Kamu nggak pernah lihat komodo? Hah? Bagus sih. Mana turunnya? Sana kali. Iya. Jalan-jalan nggak usah. Tuh. Ada nih hewan.
Now on the right hand side, Scimitar Rounders, the brown neck and white and brown back. On the side look, their horns look like a unicorn beak, look like a one. In alternative people have a sword than a scimitar. Scimitar Rounders can survive 6 months to 1 year without drinking water because they got moisture from the shrubs, trees and other vegetation. And on the left hand side, adults. Everyone has X mark on their face, spiral are twisted on, and white color. They change color according to weather. They got grayish in the winter, they got white in the summer. Adults.
Oh, lihat apa tuh?
Wah. Apa itu Kirana?
Under the tree. Mountain joggers. Arabian Bazaar. Herbivore, run very fast, jump very high, native to your back. Arabian Bazaar.
ये छोटा है।
Sip. Ayo sini, sana.
What's
bau.
Eh, saya sama itu.
Ya, oh. Kambing.
Dan buat lo.
Enggak apa-apa.
Kita sedang popo ini. I'm only photo.
Hello. Mana dek? Mbak, Cah, Mbak. Ya, pegang. Ya, pegang. Mbak. No. Mbak. Pegang. Ya, bah. Bah. Cah. Ih, giginya. Giginya kelihatan. Ada kambing. Dek, pegang dek tuh.
Oke, main zoo no.
Hah, giginya. Giginya kelihatan. Nah. Dek. Nih dek giginya dek, lihat tuh giginya. Mana? Pegang telinganya. Mana telinganya? Telinganya mana telinganya, Dek? Hah, liatin giginya ini, gigi. Kalau tidak belajar digigit kambing ompong.
Jangan dicium gini ya. Ini petting aja.
Nih liatin digigit, liatin giginya.
Ada makan kambing.
Ada.
Kamu lolos ya dari
Kurban.
kelihatan itu adanya di video.
Itu kuda poni tuh.
Poni.
Tuh kuda poni tuh di sana.
Di sana itu ada poni.
Tuh. Dek, awas dek.
Ini bisa gigit sih.
Dia tidur.
Tidak tidur.
Oh, jangan.
Sudah selesai deh. Thank you. Exit. Nah, finish. Akhirnya kita finish. Menjelajahi. Ayo. Kita nunggu di mana kita? Nunggu di mana kita? Hah? Nunggu sini. Kinaya.